This is a DepEd Matatag, which is performing arts, my cultural identity, and my province relevant local form themes, representation, mediums, and practices in music and arts. Presented by Erwin B. Agtarap Mapi, 4th teacher. Learning competencies. Explain relevant and or unique local processes and practices and producing performing creative works that reveal their cultural identity. Objective: enhance student understanding and appreciation of the diverse cultural heritage of Kidapawan City through exposure to traditional dances, music, and arts featured in the festival. In Kidapawan City, the performing arts are a vibrant expression of the local culture encompassing traditional dances, music, theater, and other performance forms. Here are some notable examples of performing arts in Kidapawan City. The Timpopo Festival is an annual cultural event held in Kidapawan City, Cotabato, Philippines. This festival is a vibrant celebration that showcases the rich cultural heritage, tradition, and community spirit of the region. Its relevance to learning competencies can be understood through several key aspects.
The performance of entry number 2. A bountiful village, etched with fruits, named Fruit Paradise, exclaims for a festivity. The fest is involved with fruit berries such as lanzones, mangosteen, rambutan, banana, and durian. The village is sanctified with the mystical fruit powers of the five mighty creatures. While they are proclaiming this abundance, greediness enters each seed of the fruits and grows into selfishness. So, the creatures
This is this example of the street dance, which is representing the festivals in Pukpok. Cultural awareness and appreciation. The Timpuktu Festival offers a comprehensive experience of the local cultural heritage through various performances, including traditional dances, music, and craft. It provides students and attendees with first-hand exposure to the unique cultural practices of the indigenous people of Kidapawan City, such as the Bagbubo and Manubo. Understanding local history and tradition. The Timpuktu Festival often includes educational components that highlights in the historical and traditional significance of the event. Through exhibition, storytelling, and presentation, the festival provides valuable context about the origins and evolution of local customs and practices. Cultural documentation and reflection. The festival offers opportunities for students to document and reflect on their experiences. This can be done through various forms of media such as writing essays, creating photo journals, or producing videos that capture their observation and learning from the festival. Traditional dance performances. Kadaltula. This dance form performed by the Wanubo people involves intricate movements that reflect their cultural tradition and is often showcased during community and ceremonial events. Kuyog dance, performance by the Bagubo community. This dance is characterized by synchronized movement and is a staple in cultural festival and ceremonies. This is the example of the Kadal Tahu, which is embraced by our local city of Kidapawan. Kadaltaho is traditional dance from the Tibuli trip from Lake Cebu in the South Cotabato province. It's performed during busy jail survey Calabao and Camarines Sur. This dramatic dance is performed during the planting and harvesting season and depicts the movement of injured bird among its flocks. It is also preserved here in Kidapawan City. They will be performed like this. Kadaltaho. Cultural festivals. Araw ng Kidapawan. This is annual festival celebrates the city history, culture, and community spirit with variety performing arts, including traditional dances, music performances, and theatrical skits. Buwan ng Wika also, a celebration of Filipino language and culture featuring performances and traditional and contemporary dances, song, and skits by local schools and community groups. Gong ensembles are the Example of indigenous music performances. Traditional music performance with indigenous instruments such as gongs and drums. These performs often accompany dances and rituals. Kulintang music. This is a traditional ensemble of gongs and mental instrument played during ceremonies and community events, often accompanied by singing and rhythmic dance. Community theater. Local theater production. Kidapawan City occasionally hosts theater production that reflect local stories, legends, and contemporary issues. Community groups in school often stage plays and dramas that highlights local culture and values. School plays and performance is also included in indigenous music performance. Regularly organized theatrical performance as part of their curriculum in cultural events, which often feature adaptation of tradition stories and contemporary themes. Religious and ritual performances. Harvest Festival. Performance during Harvest Festival often include traditional dances, chants, and music that are integral to the ritualistic celebration of indigenous community. Rituals and ceremonies. Various indigenous rituals and ceremonies involve performance art such as chanting, drumming, and dance to honor deities or mark significant culture and events. Street performances and culture showcases is always belong to this topic. Street performances. During festival and public events, local artists often engage street performing that include dance, music, and theatrical acts. These performances are meant to entertain and engage the community. Cultural showcases also. Local events sometimes feature cultural showcases where various performing arts are presented to highlight the diverse artistic tradition of Kidapawan City. Music and dance and workshop. Community workshop that focus on teaching tradition, music, and dance form conducted to ensure the preservation and continuation of these art forms. This workshop often culminate in performances that demonstrate the skills learned. These performing arts form are crucial for expressing the preserving the cultural identity of Kidapawan City. They provide a platform for the community to celebrate their heritage, engage in artistic expression, and pass down tradition to future generations. Choose the correct answer. Here we go. You are going to read this one and choose and write the correct answer to your paper. And after that one, I'm going to collect all the papers that you answer the particular questions. Alright. Thank you for watching and listening to this video. Bye-bye.